Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to combine two chart in TradingView 2025 guide. So, why should you care about combining charts in TradingView? Well, it's a great way to visually compare the performance of two different symbols. This is crucial for anyone wanting to deepen their market analysis. Let's get started. First up, you need to open a chart for your main symbol. For example, if you're curious about analyzing Apple Inc., you would start by searching for AAPL and opening its chart. This will be your base chart where you'll integrate another symbol for comparison. Once your chart is open, take a moment to notice the wide range of tools and options that TradingView offers to enhance your data analysis. Now focus on the top toolbar. You'll see several useful buttons there, but the one we're interested in is labeled either Compare or sometimes plus Add Symbol. This button is essential for combining charts, so go ahead and click on it to move to the next step. After clicking Compare or plus Add Symbol, a search bar will pop up. This is your gateway to adding another layer of data to your existing chart. Let's say you want to compare Apple's performance with the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, commonly known as SPY. Simply type in SPY in the search bar. TradingView will show a list of possible matches, and you just need to select SPY from there. Once you've chosen the second symbol, it will magically appear directly on top of your current chart. What you're looking at now is a combined view showing the performance of both symbols on the same timeline. This is a powerful visual tool to see how two different financial instruments move in relation to one another. You'll easily spot trends, divergences, or correlations, giving you deeper insights into market behavior. And there you have it. Combining charts in TradingView is not only simple, but also incredibly beneficial for anyone committed to making informed trading decisions. This tool is super versatile and can be used across a variety of comparative evaluations. Whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, or currencies, it's always a good idea to experiment with different combinations to uncover valuable insights. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to combine two chart in TradingView 2025 guide. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.